video that I've ever done. Thanks for joining me. We have the AGPtEK, not sure how to say that, but the LED tracing light pad, and it's A3 size, USB cable power. You can plug it into your little brick or whatever USB port you've got. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up. And it does come with its own little brick and the USB cable, USB cord, USB chrome. Set that aside. And the light box itself, it's wrapped beautifully, protected in styrofoam. Oh, it's very thin too. So let's pull these corners off. Let's unwrap this puppy. Where is the power? Alright, looks like it's over here in this corner next to the power button. Let's take a look here. See if that'll plug in. It does. And conveniently enough, I happen to have a little bit of power right here. Let's plug it in first to untangle it. First plug it into its own power supply it came with. Looks like we have positive power. Boom. Ooh, that puppy gets bright. Let's take the instructions out. I'm going to move this box. It's very thin. Probably shouldn't hold it with one hand like that, but that's what I did. Okay, so we've got it on the adapter power, and I'm going to plug it into my USB port directly. Let's take a look at that, see how that works out. Hey, what do you know, it works. Alright, so in the meantime I've also cut I didn't want to go too simple on this cut, but I might have gone a little bit too complex. So let's take a look here, see what we've got. So this is with the other lights on for the video, and you can't really see too much the weed line. So let me pop off these lights. And let me shut the shutters. Be right back. And let's take a look here. What can we see? We can see them quite a bit better actually, and I did forget to do a weed box, so I am going to cut with the razor blade in between these two butterflies. Good enough. Alright, so let's take a look here. Now I prefer this dental tool. It's got the little hook on it, you can see that. Seems to work really well for me. And Ricky is wanting my attention. He's going to be let in the office. Okay. Now what I did here, I added a little extra force because my blade, I've had it since late November. Added a little extra force from 10 to 2 for the Orcal 651 automatic transfer or adhesive settings that come with the silhouette. And then also I found to make my weeding easier, I went ahead and did a double cut, so It adds a lot of extra time, but for the weeding part of it, as you can see these lines really well. Hopefully on the camera it's catching it. Let me take a look up here. Zoom in. And maybe you can see that a little bit better. And as we do the different light levels, there's nothing. Low, medium, and then the high level. One thing I wasn't sure of, and let's try, is if I blocked off some of the other bit of the mat. Let's see if that helps cut down on the light level. I'll just use the Matt's V light. Let me grab some other. Printed vinyl, let's put it upside down, see if that helps to block out some of this light. So we just have our butterflies here. Let's do it this way. So it does help a little bit to see your design or your weed lines better, to block out some of the extraneous light. So if you did have a piece of black cloth or something, you could, I definitely would recommend to do that. Let's go ahead and weed this.